In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive email messages in Outlook 2026. If your inbox feels crowded but you don't want to delete important messages, archiving is the perfect move. Archiving simply moves selected emails out of your inbox and into a dedicated archive folder, keeping everything searchable and safe without cluttering your main view. First, open Outlook 2026 and head to your mail. Make sure you're looking at your inbox so you can see the messages you want to clean up. Give the page or app a moment to load so the toolbar, also called the ribbon, appears across the top. Next, select the email or emails you want to archive. Click once to highlight a single message. To pick a few non-adjacent messages, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking. To select a range, click the first email, hold Shift, and click the last one. You'll see your selections highlighted, which confirms they're ready for the next step. If you change your mind, just click again to deselect. Now look to the ribbon at the top and find the Archive button. It typically appears with a small box or file icon. Click Archive and Outlook will instantly move the selected messages into your archive folder. You'll usually see a brief confirmation message and your inbox count will go down. Remember, this doesn't delete anything. It simply relocates those emails so you can still search for them later or browse the archive folder from your folder list on the left. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can press backspace to archive the selected messages. This is a quick, one-handed way to keep your inbox tidy as you go. Just make sure you're using backspace, not delete, since delete sends messages to the deleted items folder instead of archive. If you press backspace and immediately change your mind, look for an undo option that appears for a moment, or use your standard undo shortcut to reverse the action. A few tips to make this smoother. Archiving works great on conversations, so selecting a thread will move the entire conversation out of your inbox in one go. If you ever need something back in your inbox, open the archive folder and drag it back. And don't worry about losing track of archived items. Search in Outlook includes your archive by default, so you can find messages by sender, subject, or keyword whenever you need them. That's it. Open Outlook, select your emails, click Archive in the ribbon, or just press backspace, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused inbox without losing a thing.